Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye
Prof, good morning.
Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye
Oh yeah.
Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mumbali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala Oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala oh ye Kasongo mbona we Kasongo ye Mombali nanga
acha 7 January bomu be move aba baby a MBB 40 no wo mo say aniama mienu dey di kan abai no 140 million euros was so okoto ship for France ama navy wo mo mpene dey tosu mienu 350 million dollars abai no ayi 44 companies omo tax waivers uche okuje tabla kwa o se asa abai no seda pese o stifle o mampani jomama because some crofo here omo ye no omo se eye chronics or describe it and say they are chronics companies as a nepotism companies to say one more abusia bi ne na fufuo bi companies na ombese omo sa waiver no ade we ada more than a year a co-parliament ama omo se da bi $350 million there
The Kwaku Kwati, no, ye chairman of the finance committee, was a business committee.
Yeah.
Elusu Nei.
Almost the child because he wasn't supporting it. Almost say 350 million then la like. Majority say okay. Sasana mo kandia. Some sumo per vote on account. Vote on account no the next 3 months. Salaries and emolument I see a tiama abemu for civil servant. Almost on your almost so business bia.
Business.
Majority. Almost you so almost agree no more about 350 million tax waiver no. Any ship no mo kwa kotono a. E ma ye ho adwuma wie o so mo to ship no. Just how no mo ye dia and 3 months no almost so e was say I mean under the budget ko. No ko read that first 3 months budget no. E dan a afibia no ye to aba ye bampani foforo ba na bampani dada no kwa no to aso a ye 3 months say the be bitmetua adwumayefo ka ne ade na sana March ending no omampani Jomama finance minister ede ne budget akomra shebe fie o mo so say ne ombeje kwa betua ka
say MPs no so yetu omoka so market aka ho ananka
na mo fa ho be MPs no no market ya na mo fa ho be
o market ya
o ma mi nti we Omoko election campaign sika so dewa. Bebre so cry bi wa sika no bia. Ye de man no wan che kakraka.
Bebre aka.
Ba ko bi parliamentary candidate bi ni we mo wan say. Wo ye to aba wie yes si a che sika wan che wakotofi.
Sir?
Oh, you're so disappointing. He's not smart at all.
Ye to aba wie ye.
Ye to aba wie ye.
Che sika no wan che.
Wakotofi.
Ngite kumase foni bi.
But you miss me money. Ebia say.
Obey sir. The jinse kakraka no. Ananyo no.
Oh, usu hagi.
Le bi na kweta when be hu de jinse.
I say
oh, just say you are a young man.
Hey,
I don't want to feel muti. He's not smart. Where's now man appointment? First, I see Kabi Aban in Zambia. I know I control land cruise. I know I talk cars. No, money.
Not to be a man. You're in a man.
I mean, I
say, hey, Nadia Semni.
Oh, you don't do that. Now, peace no the omo tomo. And I see, I can say, ya pamye, mupa mona moba.
Now, my pacho.
And no could you told me see the quantity. How can you do this?
But I contact 300 million something.
$350 million tax waiver. Ade.
I could tell Dosso.
What they do? Mommy, I can't grow.
With the MP.
It's your good father.
Abba.
And MPP are buying. Omo match companies now. Omo fata. Yen ya no near mammy no to Joma. Hey, businessmen. Taxes omo ti omo si eku omo. Ye levy. Ye betting tax. Ye emission tax. Ye COVID-19. Ghana kwa. Ena COVID-19 after 2020. That's what you have to.
But he said, yes, he live in Oya and Tea. Sir, I'm on for
he live in no be musi Asante dabe na usandis. Momo ebi kraba council was.
Me say no ya me sani bi.
Yete wo say ma me hwe, kan ma me hwe. We ebi musi ante. Anaya me boa.
Enra me nya be.
Asante chami we live ya yete wo nya sa no permit wo case.
Ebi cry yen some for mo cast.
Oh dear, ya we Asante we there I'm putting you to proof. One man who he live ya te wo nra. Ubenya asem. Na just say wo ye propaganda. Oh yeah, the ba.
Sir.
Emma.
Eba. Show the attitude nyina o.
E show the attitude.
Okay.
Aye.
He levy a deduction eh.
That transaction we both to account to cry.
Okay, me send it say 15 just 150 enra. Tax in 1 cedi 12 pesos.
And I 11 years say.
And my konos 11 say 1 cedi 50 pesos.
And it's one more. It's Asante and what they actually. And one more among the Yanti and Yamin Shraw. One more thing. Yaji, Unima de. A bind to me funny pet. With the executive instrument in chat taxing. I was so caught to Brashebeja. And you know who team Brashebeja for almost say they were expecting say a bino at the 11 betting tax any emission in COVID-19 levy no mumbeba on the business of the day. A document are normally Jumano. Instead, I did almost about many times. Omni omako hon tokwase omon preno. Why are you count? $350 million. Do you know what the next government can do with it?
Yeah, could tell don't so do. Umfa eka win gongo to a abaya.
They will say car, but Sika can buy any binya.
So could tell Baba be a cadiama bino. So who say our companies winning an a ticket offer. Now more 350 million tax waiver. Necessary Sikanebia, a mobile 150 and I say 200 million. The entities of more 200 million buying a coffee more. A bit my a lot of projects or minimum. I'm a buying so
companies
me at least Omomo.
So only 44 companies. Now allegedly what Okujato is saying say a cronies name and nepotism no. You just also can't just say
addressing media and no pay. Nebia so Okujato say at force in a belly dia. Omoma a list of the companies. Ebia ya bo ama manufacturing company.
We can cross check and know.
Almost say isi ha, isi region wemu, isi district wemu, isi crow we so. Yes, so oba be ye say. So now least
because it could also be say
yes.
Dear Monkey Kano. Nebia nipa chrono tea company nukra. One in another nishi.
Yes,
but and never all day you know fi say because I see a promote industries.
Yes.
And you know, say industry be ba in establishment near money waiver and Kenya bonnet. But 44 no, yow 350 million no. Dear companies, what type of industry, what type of products no mobile here minor. And I don't say number 4 more. You want unemployment graduates going. I know almost search waiver. It's important they let us know.
Yes.
You don't help us. You don't help us. Companies and no crescent and another Muslim phone. And no crescent and for and no crescent party for me. It be an individuals. But the way they presented their proposals, no. And my buying Sufi say, oh yeah. Indigenous companies to be established.
Yes.
So at the end of the day, no, is it that we are also doing politics with it?
So much ebi kra mampeni da John Dramani Mahama enti ase ne ba ya ono so one way or the other ni 24-hour economy no because if this industries wey take offer so ombe hiam ranted them about one new omo say if omo product no so omo dey ba bonte no Ghana for a ton dodo a ebema okay onye adwuma one shift nti ebi
running two 24-hour economy will also come in
na ebemu nti omo nchechire mu ye ebi a factory we be we ba be and akonta ni kwan say ye tax waiver tete hono economics na me secondary school no a bisuasuan ye no a me makase sa one district one factory no omo kofa de ba ye no akonta ni impact to yen economy way ye de ade ye the tax waiver me secondary school afia ko bi na misua tax waiver economics tax incentives nesa na man akonta akwatra let's create a market for them. If you don't do it or tax waiver de be man no emfa so bia maso ma oman no e be wiase na ba be ka e de ama e company
my chief economist
akonta me economist kakra e kozu o second
I don't pay you apply your economist
me kai say na me economist teacher dey friend Mr. Augustine is a lawyer.
Oh, okay.
Zohu. Akuta niema we yesuasu an nkete asia tete ho no madwene na na dada yen krofo ntirimu saa. Because you don't create a market for these industries. What you akuta yen for Boris B ne papa ye oya anwen enye example. Vesta oil.
Now we imagine say Yahweh Boris B any Dako Farms. And Kuku and Kolebe we were Ghana SHS nyina. Abino ama instruction say and no on supply
on Dako Farms
any Kosia Kwalani Bedino on supply Dako Farms any some other farms top man
Akate Farms the last time I call Kenya say
but it was one of the huge largest NDC MPP semi yao Obiat in the industry definitely Yahweh Yentias said definitely Obi belong to MPP and NDC.
The electoral commission mama no anko to aba.
Unim the Ottoman.
Dey akuta nipa no to aba. Yes. Dey obeto aba.
You see the issue is this.
Dey nipa no beto aba.
Ye de sa anibra ni otan. Yaw, adano me trans hwa Tata Brewery o siaw. Onim say ko ne Guinness, any Coca-Cola mo ti say.
Kenenka yo an indigenous ebia
Tata Brewery
company a Ghana ni dia.
Share those times apia menka.
Apino soup.
Abufuo ne anibra ne otanti. Jerry John Rollins to me gina simpie so say when obi anto apino soup. Sometimes Rollins kasa why na nsuro. Enti obi kura so ko to apino kura de kofi a ahwe be abeche no. Na o de kwa sponsor party. Apia menka to me to raw materials so. Yaw 6 months na ewo port. Si ebe yi ama no de aba be ya adwuma. Na asai. Ko apia menka ho interchange no so na ko he machines goa apro
aye kwa ni nyina ye politics
bikai na nya pharmaceutical and Pfizer nom ne ade ka bikai will be rubbing shoulders with Pfizer companies
yes
these were industries when Obasanjo came Obasanjo called Bakone say Dangote Efre Globe Adenugamo Efre Omo ye no say busam say what can I do for you?
Ngrofo o be UBA bank ya be wura
UBA
Bank for Africa no
he called them sat them down say we can't do this thing for you but what can we do for you? And or resource
yes.
And Nigeria has multi-millionaires and billionaires.
Ghana the Adania Bank.
She say ben bi ba ye Dangote akoye oil refinery almost sabotage no. They are sabotaging Dangote's oil refinery.
And oye flour, your friend say. Flour.
It was Nigerians who started demonstrations. Naka abiding crop from oil industry is huge. Corruption oil is huge. So Dangote started refinery. They see they started. Say omo we wanna see como say no. And the Nigerians on radio demonstrations. Ahwana Chief Baba.
Your friend say Tinubu
buy no see there be. Na back on your friend say.
Your friend say Buhari.
Buhari the man cry.
And a Tinubu be mafia.
Tinubu buy and come be mafia no. The Nigerians say share Dangote. Ya de no born ya de wa wa ho. I'm for sorry seriously wajai.
I got Dangote
what is Nigeria for short oil bill?
Dangote.
What is omudi oil so bill? Now it's refinery oil.
Dangote cement in about 2011 and the bad Ghana. And they say cool yaw.
Say
they say yeah brown with cement in some.
Okay, Beba Job, Mami and
mafia.
Honorable Tete, Akontomra MP. Honorable, good morning. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning.
Now I'm going to say.
But I'm not doing them on Bible.
Honorable Adama, Enra, Metiwani Okuja Tonka, debate on issues that has to do with business of the day. A minority say, Bokotoshi Pumienu, 140 million euros. And we here, Omonpene, they're tossing me more taxes a waiver to 44 companies. No mo fi say Cronis companies ni adenti no wo mo mpre na mo pese mo sabotage o mampani jo mama because asika no say companies ni tua ebebo apa and na mo so say so wo mo mpre dia and you vote on account budget I say a year for the next 3 months no you also not do business with them asunu bienu kui enya grass no na be huna mane wadaro ma honorable
Dedika mami church for na me na wase. So amam sa kwenye. Asemo obisa ne se ne me pesa me so me bisa NDC for no watie for ne se NDC for preso me ba konwa no so ababedu o man ne so no. Omo se on bibie adwuma e de ama Ghana ma Ghana for nya adwuma. Omo se unemployment rate na move from 8% to 14%. Omo na omo kan. Na no more refize COVID buy no companies be bring na efodo up enya Ghana kwa and it is omo pepa say omo baba be do o man so omo pese omo bi adwuma e ma Ghana for enya adwuma ye dia na say companies be 44 aba say omuwoska aban we policy ni so be mo tax exemption and aban no the mandate ME on the 6th January ya the 7th verse afransa say omampanyini jomama nkodi akunwa na ansana na na dodan kwa kufado ne na aban no omadwuma akwawie and ye nyina wo man mu say constitution interest say to abawie aban oteso no ma na nya adwuma ne to so biom enye sa tax exemption nko judges are probably no dodo na ba be call retirement omampanyini appoint NDC for amaya ye vetting 2 judges no omo nti ase ne to so biom free senior high school bill ya de aba eno no omo nti ase ene ma ka ho na mo ka ya ye ba parliament en premier no say vote on account me request for recall and I'm a leader unless I feel so I request for recall ye ba ye no NDC for so no speaker announce so mo ye majority ntino omo ntiase ma ye nya adwuma and it is a Ghana for brain bi say ntimi anya budget na omo brain bi omo family me NDC for because that answer no mo nim say omo be baba be form next government ntino movies omo ye Ghana for abro enne reality na bedo on them after no more part of the abro ye misa say 2 times na e ba no ma kwame ye ya saka ye wi da and in TSA budget to tax exemption no judges so and ni nyina no hu hia Ghana for me pass I said o mo anya o mo budget na ewe
now Robo say o mo aso ntimi your budget say mo na mo aben
so bisa say I didn't know buy twice no mama e kwa me anya sa budget no say na nye ye pe say ntimi mama me ye o mo no o mo ne ye kontokwa na ye nso no ye di mra so ye ni mra ntino ya percent okwa bisi nti bisi o mo say sa tam no o mo nim say o be woni aba na ene o ma woni aba no o mo press say ye me ye budget no Ghana for workers nti o mo peso mo betu o mo ka because me can say we on several in the interviews o mo ye me say NDC for empathy between Ghana from January, February, March. And no na this year na ba be die so afina omo part of say enkonkoye mo man omo nkonkoye omo de so mo more numbers and they should go and do it.
Honorable na say basa Ghana ni a ono no waye na dwuma onka bi nhemu no ne ho kire no saa na momie no twema me nkyene de na se ne me kae no asono mienu na ekon asase no na ebebre nti ana na mo consider
na say Ghana anu na NDC voice ade na ayi radio stations for ni bi ne TV stations for ni bi no mo support omo ne omo ye no e na ade nti na na mo ene mo refer omo se ne na mo ye na mo visa mo ye MPP fo ana ese mo refer ma omo be say me leader ma me frere recall ye ba NDC for ma ya anya adwuma
ni ne odi ho nkomo kra wa
recall ma ma ya anya adwuma sa time no na sa enema ya ye bobo so nyina nde wo 2 ye Ghana Navy for na yes ye kokoto ship na mo. Only Ghana Navy for no mun ship o mo de fa po no so. And the say na BBC we po no so a e be de na Ghana Navies no motimi aboye ho ban. Aniti yakọ IMF for na makwan say ade ne hu hia nti ye nkonkoje sa abosia no. Enfanto ship no mfa mo. And all the bosia e wo time la because obi aye ne budget.
Yeah.
And one more load. Next year, no, the budget, no, one proven this year, and next year, no, was in my uses scanner, better than what to ship na my navies. And then this was a win year, dear. Yes, say, defense minister said, no, cried and fun, say, I am a former Maquana next year, no, or much me, I want you, but Ghana 4 companies are, and his working was on Pesomoteno unemployment. So, now, yes, say, are they were over 2 years in and na tax exemption and this what the finance committee needs to be yes bia ya NPP before akwa finance committee say ya dey tinchina dey aba be say Ghana for na send this for council omo kan obi and companies me person me body because then this one pay for companies kura account including some of their constituencies and it is almost omo me ya tax exemption and the other equal important base in the judges now and this for konkoye budget for Ghana for
na honorable so nim so omo ye enye yi
enye yi se den nti na Yeah, preserve Baba, I didn't know Mamma. Mumisa question and no Muniano.
Honorable Tata Jonobi Amadasi.
Yamisram.
Azanti.
Also
tell now
350 million.
Now we didn't come up. Oh, sorry,
350 million. Say a buying po or the Omonyin to Nabia, Omokasi be Omontis half po. Omon farmers are company half na bano next government mania. Because my tax way, it takes retrospective action next year.
And say companies no plan
on saying budget to no send be on my job to moment me and to me January. And said the budget to me no buy a bewona we make sure more tax our job on a better. Tell me case say scan figure no post one a reconciliation. Montransi. Nebi all the muntra be 150 na 200 million. Government so about soon say scanner. Obetin the other project.
Is the majority ready to cut down?
Yeah, and I make us say en kasa. When I lastly on mine. Judges see, empona na mi bisa me kwa me tweto onkwa na obebisa. Judges we see nipa 2 Professor Richard of Upon. Any one other person be judge be. You say omako all the processes ni nyina view. Na ekoba say ye nyin to me. Doesn't mean say it's going to be put on hold until when? And the boss as well say we be so retired. After no more new person be there na say we do put to hold forever.
They can decide not to approve. When now they say omo approve no mo dos no do. Omo page your mama
so say omo dos no better so dia and say Ghana for any problem. But say ko ba say wo ma na bia figures say o me say 90 and say ye di ba ka 21 whatever there's a problem. But me the o man ye dinti. O man ye dinti say nka nipa tui. So be retampo da achina nka mo do mo shimu kra na enke ye.
Okay.
Intimidate they make count for that. But 250 million jobs now more can ship now.
140 million euros.
140 million euros for ship.
For ship for
no,
the Navy.
Navy.
The Navy now ship no. Say I buy microphone e ko tama o.
Na IMF no. Yeah.
Oh person try one e go bo.
IMF pass try one.
IMF said it is good.
IMF what now say. Yeah, come there no.
Come there say.
Yeah, cause we but priorities.
He's talking about defense.
On my. Piracy.
Oh, pirate. Not pirate.
Boys, you
I'm a fool who say I didn't hear pass. I'm a fool near you.
They will patrol the seas. Containers.
Oh,
German no ade.
Pirates. You
people are not. You are not proactive.
I'm a for extra say make sense go sem fan koto I'm a
hey, I'm a brony we yo. I'm a brony.
Adiane be kumo. Baby be adiane.
Oh my.
Adiane be kumo. Ghana there.
Ejuma mabuni pai. Oh my, ejuma mabuni pai.
Asante meba. Na ejuma mabuni pai. If these 44 companies genuinely say koba say your more tax waiver no more establish here. Enye do mama 24-hour economy never for.
Me make say
companies are taking off and answer omo tutum si wo say.
They are there.
Every agenda 111. No,
one district one factory. Ebi mo so no fee say 44 no dem so mu nyina na they established. But mo fee say for them to stand on their feet and get well established they need certain tax exemptions. I don't know how no aban no hwehwe mu abia we ma 20 million. I don't know how fast. Then also the day out him say chronic kakra.
Pension pay no more kwaje no. Pension pay.
Ricardo. Now to say. Ja omo de. Adiane ne ya do so.
Ghana ye to ship ne hia ye. Ye to zip. Ship was soldier for better than Ghana.
Sports is all about